Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. To make this pull-apart garlic bread, we are using 1 Tuscan loaf. We are slicing the bread all the way across, but not all the way through. Now do it all over again in the opposite direction and do not cut the bread all the way through. And as we are prepping, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then in a saucepan over low heat, add in 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Oops, there is a piece of wrap attached to the butter. I'm not trying to eat paper, am I? Once the butter has melted, add in 6 cloves of garlic minced. Then add in 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped Italian parsley. Give that a mix, and we are not trying to saute the garlic and the parsley or anything like that. We just want to infuse the butter with the flavors. Then add in 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Mix it all in and get it off the heat. Then use a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. Place the bread in the center. With a pastry brush, brush between each piece of bread and all around it. Then we are stuffing each piece of bread with a piece of fresh mozzarella, Now top it off with freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Now cover with aluminum foil and bake at 375 degrees for about 30 minutes or until all the cheese has melted. During the last 10 minutes, remove the aluminum foil so it gets nice and crispy. And if everything goes according to plan, your pull-apart garlic bread should look like this. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, pull-apart garlic bread. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching.